Hey everyone, today we will talk about this particular MCQ. Newborn with vitamin K deficiency will have which of the following lab results? So here you need to remember that vitamin K deficiency can lead to factor 2, 7, 9, 10 deficient derangement, abnormality. So these are vitamin K dependent factors. So I got two sets of answer: increase PT, normal APTT, and another answer is increase PT, increase APTT. So which one do you think it is correct? So important thing to remember is that there is uh, increase PT APTT that could should be seen in the severe cases of vitamin K deficiency, whereas in the early stages, it is observed that intrinsic pathway factors remains functional, and so there is only increase PT because factor 7 is having shortest half life. So that should be the correct answer in the early stages. But here newborn is there. Newborns have two three things. There is no vitamin K and synthesizing endogenous bacteria. Number two, there is no vitamin K intake because breast milk is poor in vitamin K. And liver enzymes are also not well developed in newborns. So it should be a severe cases of vitamin K deficiency. So here increase PT and increase APTT, both extrinsic and intrinsic pathway will be deranged. That will be the answer. Uh, thank you for participating. Thank you for valuable time. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.